Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube on Google TV. And in this video, I will show you how to turn on caption for any YouTube video without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and start from all over the beginning. Then I'm going to go ahead and open my YouTube app right here. So we go back from this movie right here. Then from the beginning right here, so I'm going to choose any movie. Like for instance, I'm going to choose this particular movie right here. I'll make sure I fast forward this intro. Then color to something like yellow right here, and we are good to go. So we can easily go back right here, and then go back. Then you have your auto caption appear on your screen right here, so you can watch the movie in the full screen, and while it automatically gives you auto translate.